The relationships that we build with our customers mean everything to us. You know, it starts from the initial sales call all the way through the install process, and then after that we like to reach out to our customers and just see how things are going. You know, we've had many customers that we've built relationships with that we didn't expect, you know, and it's really rewarding to see those customers come back to us years later and say, hey man, you did a great job, we really appreciate the work you did, and that's where we get a great sense of accomplishment and joy. As bills start rolling in, yeah, and it's 45% decrease in the amount of energy that you used. That's when it really sinks in, and you know, that's when the customer sees that value. We pride ourselves in the fact that we'll go the extra mile to make sure our customers are satisfied at the end of the day, 100%, and we'll do whatever it takes to make that happen.